Sure. Yuri, kama simthandela bamthanda bambiza ngayo simthandele nawo uthandile. Anbiza ngayo simthandile today. Supplanted. I was like, you know, let me stop with this quote thing. Let me just pull up with it, blind the tarana. So I'm not alone. Get for the danger. Zezinja. I'm donkey. How are you?
What's good, guys? It's your boy Mzwakhe Masabe, aka Famkina Bangaziyo. Ngizangu Khanda. Sure.
It's been a long time. With a Khanda on it. Hello, hi, Nana.
Hello.
Please be loud.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
You okay? Can you introduce yourself if you don't mind?
Just Melanin Prada.
Melanin Prada?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. You want a blind date? First round, I'm going to ask you two questions. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. What is your type?
Ubusaban mina real.
Wait. Yeah, please be loud. Yeah.
So mina my type basically umuntu clean. Yabo. So before I see anywhere, first and foremost, umuntu nje hygienically clean. Umuntu osithandayo.
It's all about cleanness.
Umuntu osithandayo, umuntu osihloniphayo. Umuntu like engangifuni lokho agalava ntetrati. Not for everyone, because yabona manje masokuqala inkinga bazodabe lese siyasimjwayele. So mina what I like emuntwini nje ukuthi kumele sibe ne same intellectuality, like sibe ne mindset efanayo.
Singisi nabo sexuality. If ngisingisi phakathi sexuality ukhona.
To the point ukuthi like manyenza something angifuni kube ngathi like I come off as offensive, kumele like si click I'm told. Yes.
Oh,
so
wow.
The second,
I like this. I really do. I don't know if I'm gay, but you're becoming my type, eh?
I will pause now.
Pause on it.
So the second part, nothing much as.
Just
I wouldn't say type is all about physical appearance. As long like in a mutual understanding, then yeah.
Get it? I won't hold you though. So, baby Kelly, what is your type? Just explain it in your way.
Okay, my type. Now I'm into dark, clean, tall guys, ne? But yeah, chocolate. But to go on a deeper level, like I like a guy who's goal driven. Yabo, umuntu owazi ukuthi like ufunani empilweni. Hayi laba bafana laba bazovuka bahlale nje makhoneni makuleni all day. No, yabo. So just someone who knows ukuthi uyavuka uyenzani ngempilo. And we also and a guy who's educated. Ufundile intellectual is very important. Yes.
Wow.
So and what can I say? Yeah, that's my type.
Damn. But bafuna I'm a student. Bafuna guy bafuna mangekho sekhoneni if sekhoneni bazoyithula kanjani hlele khoneni unganami. You're not gonna get it. It's okay. Ngapha abantu bafuna abantu abaclean, clingy and clean. You know? Okay. Yini ama red flags ngawe? Awuthiyami.
Awami.
Yeah, ama red flags ngawe.
So my first red flag is
okay, wait.
Okay.
You know what? Uzombuza wena. Yini ama red flags ngentombazana ongeke uyijola. Ama red flags like intombazana if nala ama red flags, I don't think I would take that hard.
Number one, too much body counts. Yeah.
Because ufuna le body counts
no, like I feel like each year nama body count amabhani ilamantombazana lawa like it true love vaccine develop sabazo stress because when it's time ukuthi like sokube lesa sikhathi ukuthi kumele kube nama ritual empedeni no yabo uyo compare ukuthi ubani uyenze so usibani bani uyenze so ubani ungcono
number 7 dlala kanjani number 8
yabo so I feel like
5 ngeke afane number 1
so I feel like
kumele understand you
kumele kube ne limit. Then secondly angifuni like intombazana ekhuluma like isijida mawuzokhuluma nomuntu wakhe into eserious jikijikisa akuphendula uthi fedi. Hayi for me na yabo
do not say fedi
yabo ichere gcoka ikhavela ichere hlomile ichere bhemayo
do not smoke.
Yeah, yabo so ish
do not smoke
so
do not smoke
so
do not do that.
Yeah, for me, I my deal breakers wami la.
Ama-deal breakers wakho lawo. Damn, man. I like this. Because of, I feel like ngiyafanelana. The way you show corner, they don't smoke. She don't smoke, she don't do anything, you know. By the way, yini wena yini ama-red flag emfaneni umfana ongekho kunjalo?
Okay, my first red
Because
flag.
music was like
Okay, my first red flag. Wait.
umfana.
Um,
How do you feel abafana abachinayo?
I know that's cute actually.
That's cute.
Mm-hmm. But
You made me blush.
yeah, lo mfana lo who's bro, ngayibeka kanjani lento le?
Ngesintu nje. I think
Ngesintu ne.
balula nge-language.
Okay, it's ngivele ngimazi. Let me go to my first one. Ne?
Yeah.
My first red flag in a guy is a umfana who thinks money is not important in a relationship. Hambi yojola nabo zindlu. Anyways,
Nabo bani?
okay, and then my second red flag is a guy like who's still like ingqondo yakhe like like even when you talk to him you can't get like a good conversation out of him. You understand? Ngathi ingqondo yakhe isase emuva.
It's a child.
Yeah, he's still childish.
Ooh.
So yeah, and then also
Umfana onjalo, you don't want a guy like that.
I know.
Okay.
And then yeah.
Okay, guys.
Oh, and the guy who smokes cigarettes, I cannot stand that shit.
Umfana obhemayo, umfana obhemayo.
Like, you're gonna come to me and want to kiss me.
How about umfana? How do you feel about umfana obhemezolo though?
Yeah, we can chill and smoke weed, baby. Come here.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this because of guys. I'm gonna give you maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes, you guys trying to know each other and give us questions. No, I'm Katang.
Umfana ungangwisi.
What's up? Come close. Yeah, there's but my mic can't. Right, go.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Njani?
Ngishafena.
Sha. Kinga like ukhulumela phansi so like igama lakho for mina angilibambanga uthiwa bani igama lakho?
I'm Mandy.
Amendi.
Mandy.
Oh Mendi. Oh analo like igama maybe elizulu ri
Amanda.
Amanda. Oh Amanda. Okay, linayo.
What's your name?
Igama ngumzwakhe.
Okay.
Yabo. Me personally abantu abangazi ngalolu gama because like ngijole igama elihlukene yabo. Abanye bangibiza ngoPumpkin, abanye bathi Khanda mara it depends ngawe ukuthi ufuna ukungibiza. Khanda.
Oh, it's because of that hate, ne?
Is it a diss or a compliment?
Take it as a compliment
Wow.
because it suits you, but it's big.
Yeah. Okay. Akufane. A win is a win. It's your team. So tell me more about yourself. Umuntu onjani?
I'm just a chilled person. I like going out sometimes with my friends. Studying. Yeah,
So yenza grade ban.
I'm done with school.
Oh.
Just higher studies.
Oh, okay. So vele umuntu une IQ yadingeka mos.
Definitely.
So
The standards of living are high.
okay. So me personally, maybe like if I give you a glimpse of my personal life, I'd say I'm a model. I also do radio presenting, but as a part-time. I just like extracurricular activities in your own spare time because like I also do fitness training. I'm sure maybe like makhumuli mask uzobona ukuthi I six pack ekalekile ayizanga mahali yabo. So yeah, basically I'm just a fun guy to be around because like even now yabona since siqalile ukukhuluma I'm sure uSmayile like 3 or 4 lapho.
Probably, I don't know.
You don't even keep track, ne?
No.
Yeah, who does well? Yeah. So yeah, Ghost.
I got plenty of time. Shut up 1 minute.
Oh, Papa. So
why are you here?
mina I wouldn't go far ngithi bangibizile nje mina there is an England is because like ngidinga umuntu ongihlekisana nawe yabo because obviously sekuyabanda man masifudumazane or kanjani. You're not that kind of person.
To do it? No, I'm not.
So okay, so when how long does it take in a relationship ukuthi nikumfana?
A month.
A month. So Oma a month compared to like maybe on the first meetup or first week, it difference kuphi lapho?
You're not getting it on the first meetup or the first week. You saw it.
What's the difference though?
The difference is you have to wait.
At
Yeah, you
the
have
end
to
of the
wait.
day, mus still kumele ithole nizotholiwa mus.
Yeah, you
So
get
why
it.
like ungavele uyeke waste isikhathi because at the end ngizoyithola thola ukuthi maybe ngizokufemela, it's still the same thing.
It's not to you as guys it is, but to us it's not. It's not.
So angi-explainele maybe kuwe ngizoku-understand.
No, you know, it's a thing of guys just getting into relationships because they wanna smash and buy. So we're just trying to avoid such things and see by this person, is he willing to wait now?
Okay, I get your point of view. Mara for nathi sengikhulumela amajita ne. What's the point okumela 2-3 months 1 month for into like let's say I grip. I'm not saying ukuthi uwe lo. Yabo. I'm just advocating for gents in general.
Then I don't know.
Why kumele simele into that is not even worth it.
I don't know. Pala some they would give you guys on the first meetup.
So when you're not one of them.
No.
Hey. At least yaphila yakufana.
Hey guys. Okay guys. Umuvile ngale khanda likhulu liyamtshela kodwa limtshelo kwakhe. Okay, with the big heads. You know abafana banamakhanda amakhulu? Guess what? They have small heads. They have small minds, I mean.
Oh.
No. It's okay, man. It's okay to be stupid sometimes. This is one that game. Tango. How do you feel about the nkulumo yenu le ngxoxo yenu encane?
For me personally, Amanda umuntu alright. We chill. Umuntu like okwaziyo ukuthi even though like sinama differences ngento esiyibonayo siyakwazi like express ama opinions wethu without ukujajana. So yeah.
Blame each other. Into ifundile kuyo yonke la vida yenu.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's really a nice person, yeah.
okay, Amandu. Yini ifundile ngoguy?
I feel like he's a very straightforward person.
Yeah.
Ngala ma question bekangibuza wona
wona.
and nalezo zinto bekazisho like straightforward.
Great what?
And also I like his level of thinking.
Oh, uyilento efunayo thinking, uyathink.
Yeah, uyathinka and ukhuluma izinto ezinengqondo.
Oh wow.
And we bit of understanding, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Another question. Read the in conversation. Oh, ngiyangizwa kodwa ngesikhathi. Engiraf kulamala ngesikhathi bafana bami. Nraf ngesikhathi bafana bami lamala. Read the conversation out of 10.
Out of 10 I would give it a 7.5.
7.5.
It's kusinoma bani level 6 level passile girl.
Pasile.
Yeah, so it was nice.
Out of 10?
A 7.
7. Do you have reasons?
Yeah, it was a nice, like we didn't have awkward moments or
Oh yeah, you feel okay now, you know. Okay, are you comfortable around him when he's talking to you?
Yeah, I guess.
I guess. Okay, guys, and another question. Last question, then last question, then we open, guys. Okay. Based to voice and based to, you understand? Do you think you guys can have a serious thing?
As angwazi nje ukudetermine i-future with just nje
Without seeing the future.
akaka last na 1 hour la, so ukuthi ngi-stretch to a point ukuthi sengicabanga i-future, maybe like step by step yabo, if like siyazana ngendlela esharp like honest decent, then yeah.
Okay, how do you feel? Do you think there's a picture based to voice and do you like his voice the one he's giving babies?
Can you please say baby?
Say baby.
Baby.
Okay, and I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Baby.
Yeah.
Do you like that? Baby.
No.
You don't like that baby?
Which his baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Baby.
Yours sound childish.
Okay, guys, in 4, 3, 2, 1, we can just.
Are we opening now?
Yeah, in 4. Yeah, we can open. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Open, guys. Open, guys. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel about it?
Eh?
How do you? Oh, hey, hey. How do you feel right now since Umbona?
Yeah, I feel good.
Did you feel good? Shit. How do you feel since Umbona? And they tell you you're into black guys now.
Yeah, actually, that was my reason, but I didn't expect him to be
Yellow ball.
caramel.
Cameron. Do you
But
like?
I like. Besides, the physical body is not what we're looking for. It's what's inside.
Oh, so you're into inside right now.
Yeah, even him is good looking, just the skin color. But I feel good.
Okay. Can you rate the hair out of 10?
Hair out of 10.
I feel like can I shine now? Out of 10? This nigga's shy right now.
Is he shy?
No. It's okay, man.
Shy. 8.
8. Damn, why though? Why though 8?
8.
She just say 8.
Cause in le 2 nje nyona nyoyidetermine nye personality yabo if like
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, ne joint yami.
joint.
Do not do that to my
He says he doesn't like girls who
smoke zone. Okay.
So maybe the one is for that.
Oh, okay. Out of 10?
He's a 9. Why are you blushing?
He's a 9.
He's a 9.
Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna do this for the last time. I'm gonna leave you guys and to hang up since and Bonana right now. You can talk since and Bonana, and if you have some questions, you can ask questions. Get to know each other better right now. You understand? After that, then I'm gonna ask you 1 question or 2 questions. Then we're done. All I can say, I'm out of here. Yo, wow.
Hello.
Hi.
So hello. Okay. Mina yabona lapho mase sifika kwi joint ne. Uyapema. Pemani.
Weed.
Ntsangu. Yinto ipema kuphela. So how often do you smoke?
Not much.
Wawupema. Like do you have a specific reason which wawupema?
It's just for feeling calm and being you.
Okay, I get you, Mara. That's why, man. Like, mangikhuluma nawe because iphunga lensanga. I thought it was a ghost. Yes, can't do it.
Mara. It's probably this is leather, so that's why.
So like, Oma, mina ngabhemi and when I like uyabhema. So like, izosebenza lento.
No, it won't, because you won't make me leave it.
So if like ngaba ne scenario ukuthi ukhetha mina or Ntsangu ngakhetha
I'd leave you. Wena.
yo for 25 rand
It's a 5 rand. It's not 5 rand, my brother.
mali
$30.
50 bucks. I mali ze NSFAS kazi nizidla wrong. Okay, so if this were to work out, ama terms and conditions of a relationship, bazothi.
My terms and conditions. I mean, I feel like my relationship, like there are just certain things, others you know, is which I'm not supposed to do this in a relationship. Like, khamba namantombazana, like nibuke and sleep there. You know, that kind of a lifestyle. What was the question?
Ama terms and conditions of a
In a
relationship.
Yeah, and then yeah,
You call local pay.
that I can think of.
Okay. Now I would say I'm a male bestie. Kalavanta. Almost why mina anginankinga nechiri like as enjoy yabo mara ukuthi why manje sekumele kube uwe nje uzokala abajutholakala eSikopo secret location the grills yabona manje so like for me leyo kuzoba into like enyeke ngivume respect understanding yeah, those ones are needed because like you can't go far without the basic understanding on it. So yeah, I can do one of no.
What do you think is the most important thing in a relationship?
What I think is the most important thing in a relationship. Ish. Yo, it depends as physically, emotional.
Into nje is a push a relationship every day. It could be emotionally both actually. Or either.
For me, na communication and physical touch. Nama reels, tumela ma reels go IG, mporigi.
Okay.
Wena?
Communication. Which is like I like doing things with my man. When it's a babe, maybe I wanna go shopping, I can go with you. I wanna go anywhere, I can take you with me. I just like spending time, quality time. Yeah.
So manje mangina mali.
Kanjani?
Phela ayungumfana phela emjulweni ya badge yabo.
Yeah, but as girls, we go for what we want. I wouldn't date umfana as good. He wouldn't do this and do this. But I'm not saying I aim for guys who have money. But I'm just saying I have my own standards also.
Oh, so nama standards. Ilawa kela but I know my worth.
No, I'm saying there are different levels. But like they just some people who want I wouldn't settle with this one.
So nongazibona usetlisha na.
No.
Reason being?
I don't know. I feel like you look like someone who's just not into relationships, focusing on
So you play.
your own stuff, your own career, or YouTube guys, whatever. I don't date YouTube guys.
So in siyafe bathini.
I don't date like cause sinini nizongitshela ukuthi hey siyabooka i-guest house to shoot the content. Mina ngazikwenzakalani mangekho. So yeah, those are the reasons.
Oh. So wena kahle like mawuphuma kini bakurequestile ukuthi today kuzoba ne blind date, what were you expecting? Were you expect ukuthi uzothola umuntu nje ongasi YouTube?
Yeah, cause I'm not.
Mara nawe. Hayi.
Cause I'm not. But yeah, to think of it.
Ghost.
See me, little boy. Nayitumile.
Asifuna ukuphuma la sabo break bese ngasibili.
Please didn't subscribe. You can kindly do that right now. How do you feel about the Ngogo what? How do you feel about the conversation, bro?
Oh. Yeah. Conversation very right. For me personally, I liked it better off like Safagama mask. Hear me out before uzocabanga into wrong. Because like laphana this free vele ukuthi like singakhuluma ini.
Yeah.
So like I feel like the moment is got to khumbula ama mask. So kuvele kwaba lento lokuthi maybe he is what I was expecting or he is not. So manje like sekumele ngadjust ukuthi ngikhuluma naye ngendlela enjani yabo. So I feel like it hindered ukuthi like the conversation uzoba njani, but overall yeah it was a decent chat, yeah, and ngikwatela ikota kunakota la.
Ufuna amakota? Eflo ikota inalishashalazi. Kota inalishashalazi. Amazwakalo uzoreka kota chomaka. Zwakalo uzoreka kota chomaka. I won't lie though. Second date?
Eh?
Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do this. You're gonna close eyes and then you're gonna beg up hands. Then when I say guy, vusikan, then I'm gonna ask him a question. Is you're gonna do this or you're gonna do this. I'm gonna ask you, there's a second date, then you're gonna do this or you're gonna do this. You understand? Okay. As for Lena Metro, guys. Beginning pants. Tomazan. Shows vusikana. Vula Metro. Second date. Okay. Valameso. Bigger party. Guy. Second date. Ooh. I like this. Okay. I didn't expect this, guys. I didn't do it. I didn't do this. I didn't expect it. This is nice. He said he would like to go with you. Second date. I think, guys, you guys are gonna have to change numbers, and you have to love each other. If you didn't subscribe, can you kindly subscribe right now?
Aibo. So like ghost yangihlangene.
Ngenzeni manje mina bo?
Guys, please like and subscribe.
Whoa, before my subscription, whatever. Whoa. Like umuntu sharp, ne? I feel like as abangani too.
Of course.
Yeah. Sharp.
She said she didn't want you to, though.
Yeah.
Just saying. I was trying to be nice to you. She said she don't like you.
So can so
I just
many
wait type here.
Guys, please follow me on Melanin Prada _ Ngize nizoqhina ngiyaqhinana guys.
Okay.
yeah.
Just for the color.
Yeah. Right, mina.
Bye.
Love you. Yeah, I think we're done
So
right now.
I feel like umama sivala ne.
Makota ngeke phela ngithela makota singashika.
So abo tiny mabaloke bazokhuluma ngikopo lana bazokhuluma ngama ora nibatholisa amakota abo smaller nibanika amakota nalo mxhosa ngimazi ngithengela ikota angiqedanga nibathengela amakota so thina lana sense icoke sengela icoke na ikota lapha sithengela nekota ukostisile so kuthengela abo tiny abantu abanama friends ala freeze moyi thina next
I didn't know about the standard.
Sharp.
Nice way to
So namele ngigcoka iskipa esipinki ke ngifaka isilver ukuthi ningithengele ikota. Yena into eshoya ngithi.
No, I'm sure.
Sharp.
Nangisho mngana mina.
Kumele ngicommente.
This is the blind day.
Date kunokudla idrink. Mina mele ngigcoka impahla zasentabeni ezama bathini labo baba bayinkonke abaphume bangamadoda ngokugcobisa ipende emhlophe. Angithi bamaXhosa.
No.
Hayi, sifuna ikota.
Yo, I love you guys.
Sicela ikota.
To be honest, bro, I don't have a quota though. I don't have a quota. I'm broke as a strap right now. Maybe and come, guys. Please come, guys. You mentioned for my channel. Please, mama, something I'm a quota for free, guys. For free. Tell them, yo, I'm buying a quota and giving for free. Like, share, subscribe.
Fuck movie.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.